I belong to the Agile line of business, and I support Apptio's Targetprocess in my role for all the implementations. But my experience, I have a background in managing finances, development finances. So it's a kind of a nice bridge between the Apptio One products and Targetprocess and what we're trying to achieve with our clients. The interactions from presenting and talking with our clients face to face are the things I look forward to. Not only do I, impart data and information and learnings, but I also learn from these sessions. I think sometimes it's stepping back and watching the participants collaborate and talk with each other and have those aha moments that they're not the only ones struggling with these problems, that it's out there across the organizations and the domains. All these companies are struggling with a lot of the same things, and getting those participants talking to each other, networking with each other is one of my favorite things of Rego U.